We are so excited about this quiche. It is, first of all, it's absolutely stunning. So if you take this to an event, a brunch, people are going to be like,
You're a star of the show.
yes.
Star of the show.
So I found this cookbook when I was on vacation, and as soon as I saw the cover, I bought it. I really didn't even flip through, but there's a bunch of amazing recipes in here. So,
And I was just flipping through at her house, and I literally said, we have to make this on Monday. This looks so good. And so I am super excited to try it.
I know. So we actually made the crust. It's a gluten-free crust. It's completely vegan. There is no animal products in this quiche at all.
Should I cut into it?
I think you should cut into it.
I hate to mess it up because it's so pretty.
It's so pretty.
But we'll just give us each a little slice. Does that sound like a good plan? I
Sounds
probably
like-
should have, is that like a good amount?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, I probably should have gotten a different knife to cut through the asparagus. But I didn't, so.
It's okay. It's
All
okay.
right. there
I mean,
we
the
go.
crust looks flaky.
Yes.
Wait a minute, let me see.
Is it good? So gluten-free crust, and there's tofu in here.
There is tofu.
So that's kind of a fun little, oh my gosh, this looks so good. I'm so excited to try this.
And it has my little sweet pea tomatoes on
Little
there,
sweet
too.
pea tomatoes, and then there's a little hummus in there, right? That's pretty good.
It is so good. Oh
I'm so
my.
excited. That is delicious. Okay, so hummus, the tofu, the roasted asparagus, or we sauteed some asparagus with garlic. What else is in the, oh, a little bit of nutritional yeast and a little bit of cornstarch, and that's it, right?
And some olive oil.
And some olive oil.
That's it. It's eggy, like it's got that kind of eggy taste to it, and a little bit of a cheese flavor. And then the asparagus.
So I've had things with tofu before, and I feel like I can taste the tofu. This has no, I mean, tofu doesn't have a lot of flavor anyway, but this is incredible. Well, I'm pretty darn excited.
This is really good.
I have high hopes for this cookbook because
I
this
know.
was one of the recipes in there. I was like, oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Well, we'll have to try out some more recipes. So definitely give this a try. I promise you that you are not going to miss the eggs in this.
Oh, not at all.
You're not going to miss the fact that it's gluten-free because the crust is nice and crispy and kind of flaky. So just maybe step out of your comfort zone. We actually, when she told me she wanted to make this, I'm like, well, we have to make crust.
Well,
And we did. And it was easy.
it really was easy. I mean, you can purchase a crust, but then it's not gluten-free, and this one is so easy and good. And I think, you know, like, so why? Why would you take the time to eat this if it's plant-based? And I mean, here's the thing, plant-based diet is just what is the best for our body. And so to the degree that you can make small changes in your current diet to get more of a plant-based diet, the better off you're gonna be. And let's just face it, I mean, I love quiche, and so I don't wanna have to give quiche up. And so this is just a great thing where you can make, and then you've got, I mean, you could eat on this for 3 or 4 days.
Oh my gosh.
You
yes.
know? And then that's not, because when it's there in the fridge, I'm gonna grab this over something that's not as healthy, so.
Absolutely.
Give
and
it a
if
try.
And if you don't like asparagus, add something else to it. You can add any veggie to it.
Absolutely,
Right?
yeah. So, I mean, spinach would be good in that, so.
Yeah. So we will drop the recipe below, or at least hopefully maybe a link to this recipe. Hit the big red subscribe button. Let us know what you think, and if you try it, let us know what you think.
Yep.
Okay. So that's all I got. I'm gonna get back to eating my quiche.
Have a good one. See ya. Oh my gosh, this is yum.